miles away. It moves the clouds over by the building. I pick the building that I want to live in. I smell the pine trees and the beeches in the woods. I see the pine cones that fall by the highway. That's the highway that goes to the building. I pick the building that I want to live in. It's over there, it's over there. My building has every convenience. It's gonna make life easy for me. It's gonna be easy to get things done. I will relax along with my loved ones. Loved ones, visit the building. Take the highway, walk and come up and see me. I'll be working, but if you come visit, I'll put down what I'm doing. My friends are important. Don't you worry about me. I wouldn't worry about me. Don't you worry about me. Don't you worry about me. I see the states across this big nation. I see the laws made in Washington, D.C. I think of the ones I consider my favorites. I think of the people that are working for me. Some civil servants are just like my loved ones. They work so hard and they try to be strong. I'm a lucky guy to live in my building. They all need buildings to help them along. It's over there, it's over there. My building has every convenience. It's gonna make life easier for me.